Once you set up a wallet and bought Bitcoin, the next step is to open an account in a crypto exchange. There are different exchanges, and each one of them has its own features and advantages, but the basic idea of how they work is quite similar. Here I will talk about two platforms that are among the most popular ones, which are Bittrex and Binance. Later on, I will give you names of other leading exchanges you can check out if you want to as well. The first one is Binance. Binance is one of the most recommended platforms for trading cryptocurrencies. They offer trading tools, easy and cheap transactions, and a wide range of available digital coins you can trade on. The process of opening an account in Binance is easy, and here are the steps you should follow. Go to Binance.com and click on the registration button on the right top menu. Then fill in your information. Enter a valid email address, choose a secured password, and after approving the terms and conditions document, go to register and complete the CAPTCHA. Now you will need to open your mailbox. There you will find a verification message. Click on the provided link in order to confirm your email address. From there, you will be directed to the main site. At this stage, you should get a successfully activated page. Click Login, solve the CAPTCHA, and you are in. Once you are in, a pop-up window will offer you to set a second factor authentication. It's very important to use it to secure your funds. You can choose SMS verification, but it's even safer to go with the second option, which is Google Authenticator. In order to use it, you'll have to download their app from Google Play or App Store, and the application will generate a changing code that needs to be used every time you sign in. Note that in your profile you have the option to fully verify your account by sending identity documents, but it's not mandatory. The only limitation that you'll have in case you don't verify your account is being able to withdraw only up to 2 Bitcoins per day. Once fully verified, the daily withdrawal limit will be raised to 100 Bitcoin. Now let me show you how you can find your private Bitcoin address in Binance. You go to the Funds menu and choose Deposits. I will assume that you use a standard Bitcoin account, so type BTC in the search box and click on it. There you will see your Bitcoin deposit address. What you need to do is to simply copy and paste it as the destination for sending the coins from your wallet. And if you use an application, you can also use the QR code instead. One thing to note here is that the time that takes until the transaction is complete may vary, but you can check its status on blockchain.info or similar sites at any point. Once your account is funded, you can technically start trading right away. Enter the basic exchange screen by going to the top left menu. On the top right, you'll see the cryptocurrency pairs list, and on top of it, use the default BTC if you use Bitcoin as your main currency. Then, all the available coins which are traded against the Bitcoin will be presented in the table below. Next, look for the currency you want using the box located above the list. When you find it, click to open its page and execute a trade. If you want to see your closed trades, navigate to the Order History option on the Orders menu. In addition, you can see the last 24 hours history on the bottom of the main trading page. The second exchange that I want to talk about is Bittrex, which is also considered to be one of the top exchanges in terms of popularity and the wide range of currencies you can trade on. In order to create an account, go to the website, which is bittrex.com, and go to register. There, fill in your email, choose a password, agree to the terms and services, and sign up. After signing up, you will receive an email with a confirmation link on which you should click in order to verify your email address. Then you will be directed to the login page where you enter your email and password and get inside the platform. It might ask you for IP confirmation. If it does, you simply go to your email again and confirm by clicking on the provided link. Now let me show you how you can deposit to your new account. Once you are in the platform, go to Wallets. Here you go to Bitcoin, click on the plus sign and generate an address. This is the address that you want to transfer your Bitcoin into. So you simply copy and paste it on Coinbase or whatever wallet you are sending the Bitcoin from, and that's it. Let's have a quick look at the platform. On the top of the main page you can see the coins that recently had the biggest gain and largest volume. Below, there's the list of all currencies that are traded against the Bitcoin, but you can choose to sort it by any of the other columns, which are all present data related to the performance in the last 24 hours. When you click on the currency you are interested in, you get to the main trading page, and here you can see the basic information you need before you enter a trade. Last is the current price, and bid and ask are prices you'll get if you buy or sell right now to the best available buyer or seller. The other numbers give you some indication as to what happened with the coin in the last 24 hours, the amount of volume, and the lowest and highest prices. Of course, you can also see the price movement and changes in the candlestick chart.